Hello then guys, welcome back. Today we've got a bit of a different video, which I wasn't expecting to do yet. So today we've got a bit of an unboxing video and then putting some parts on the old Ford. So I've brought her in the workshop here. Well, kind of. So we've got some new parts. We've got some pin which goes on the bottom link arms. New check chains, which I'm looking forward to putting on. There's another one there. There's the nut for the pin that goes on the bottom, and then we've got two nuts for the linkage arms. So that's that box done. Let's get the next box up a second. Right, so here is the next one. Here we have down arm, which is new but it's already scratched, which is really annoying. I don't know why it is. So this goes down here like that. So I've unboxed these parts, there's a few more to come. But anyway, really annoyed about that. I might have to touch that up when I've got some more paint. But yeah, we'll get these old parts off and get the new ones on. So let's get into this video. apologies about the wind, guys, but just come back the next day and almost finished here now. So we got the new link arms, which I didn't show unboxing because they came separately. They're from AgriLine, both of them. And then we got the down arms on, drop boxes. We've both got these on. I think they're for a Fordson, so they're not quite the right ones, but we're going to have to modify it so they'll fit right. We've got the check chains, which are from VAP, I think. But they didn't quite fit, so we've had to swap the boxes around. So you've got that on the back there, and the chains on the front. So hopefully that's going to work. We'll just show you it in action in a second. No, it doesn't move at all, see? So the check chains are doing their job, nice and tight. I can loosen them if I want to, but I think I'll leave it at the moment. Still going to get new pins, because at the moment, as you can see, just got gate hinges on. So we're going to get some new ones of them. I got to get a nut for that in a minute and do them both up, but that's pretty much it. So there we go. Just lift it up again. Yeah. Right, so I think that's going to be the end of this video. The top link's alright. I might at some point later on in the restoration progress paint all of this down here to blue, but I'm not quite sure yet, so yeah, we'll have to see about that.